Here's how to make your customers sell your product to themselves. Ask why questions that is related to their desire. For example, you can ask, why is getting fit so important to you? Encourage them to discuss about their dreams, values, goals, and beliefs. This is where the commitment begins. As they talk about their dreams and values, they're not talking to you. They're committing to themselves. According to the commitment and consistency principle, when people commit to their own beliefs, values, and goals, they want to be consistent with it. This means that when you align your sales pitch with your customers' values and beliefs, they are more likely to say yes to buy your product. Because if they reject your offer, which is tied to their goals and dreams, they are rejecting their commitment, which most people can't or won't do. Don't believe me. Even Chris from the future admits he got influenced by this commitment and consistency principle and paid $4,500 to a personal trainer.